The voyage of HACCP, having safeguarded the safety of our tables. Where is HACCP heading? HACCP, the unwavering standard of food safety that we have upheld. HACCP moves forward, to our tables, to the future, and to the world. From ingredients to production and distribution, HACCP analyzes every step of the food manufacturing process. By preventing hazards before they occur, HACCP has protected the safety of Korean tables for more than 30 years. HACCP has become smarter and more sophisticated. Using IoT technology, Smart HACCP records data in real time, automates operations, and alerts users to risks. It has been reborn as Smart HACCP, the future of food safety management. Our commitment to food safety establishes a new standard that connects domestic safety to tables across the globe, based on the global popularity of K-food. To prevent intentional food safety incidents, covering food defense, fraud prevention, safety culture, and safety management, Global HACCP has been launched as an international standard for food safety certification. HACCP, the guardian of Korea's food safety. HACCP is endlessly advancing, from the table to the future, and onward to the world alongside K-food, ensuring every meal is safe, building trust at the table, connecting to the future with precision, and reaching the world with broader standards. The standard for food safety, HACCP. HACCP moves forward, to our tables, to the future, and to the world. Ministry of Food and Drug Safety.